We typically describe a mining farm as any amount of machines more than 10. These can scale upwards of in the thousands if necessary. And effectively, just like all things in business, there's economies of scale at the larger end. Now, not only does the price per unit come down at commercial levels, due to the way that some of the blockchain applications work, there can also be a financial advantage of using more machines for certain different types of tasks in this space. Sometimes for a mining farm, there are other things that need to be considered, such as perhaps the amount of electric that's going to be used, or the way that we're able to cool the equipment, or the airflow. All these things are very straightforward, but sometimes need a little bit of extra advice. This is what we help specialize to do with our clients. So from idea to concept to implementation and execution, we're able to facilitate the whole process. So whether you just want to put a few machines in a warehouse or some spare space, or whether it is you're looking at doing an entire multi-million-pound facility, here at Easy Crypto Hunter, we're the experts to help give you the advice from beginning to implementation to completion at the end of the project, and most critically, strategic management before, during, and after when it comes to how you're going to mine your coins and the best profitable way to do so. If you'd like to know any more information or simply have some questions, or even if you'd like to come and see us here in our offices in Manchester, please get in touch with us. We'd love to hear from you, and we can't wait to see you soon.